Hello. In this lesson we're going to talking about the LOD node. The LOD is useful to set the level of detail of our projects. We're going to start with the window that we already did as a function in the last lesson. This is our window. And now we're going to modify or set three different levels of details using LOD instruction. 3D manages three levels of details. The low level, the medium level, and the high level of detail. Let's set this level of detail will be the high level of detail. And then using the LOD, we are going to set the other two. For example, for the medium level of detail, I don't want this extrude to happen. So I here add an LOD, and for the normal I do the extrude, but for the high I do the extrude, and for the normal and the low I don't. You can select your level of detail here in this icon, and by default you always have the medium level of detail, but you can set the high or the low. Well, for the medium here, now for the medium I remove the extrude and leave only for the high level. As you can see, in the medium level, now I don't do the last extrude. If I set here high level, now I got the extrude in the last part of the project. Now also here I don't want for the medium level to do the second inset and extrude in the frame. So for the high I will do, but for the normal I will go directly to the cut. Now when I set here medium level of detail, now I got only one extrude in the frame and the cut, and no extrude in the glass panels in the window. Now at last, for the low level of detail, I don't want to make the second extrude in the frame, and I don't want the cuttings in the window in the glass panels, so I'm going directly to the last extrude here. So when I set low level of detail, I got this. Now I got three levels of detail for my function. As you can see, and now I can export again this function. I'm going to publish, I update my version, and then I'm going to use it in the building. When I select here high level of detail, I will have all my windows with the high level of detail, or I can select medium level of detail. I have my windows with medium level of details, or I will select low level. And this is the result for the low level of detail. That's all in this lesson. In the next one, we'll be talking about the loop instruction of 3D. Goodbye.